Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be playing with this Itoigawa Juniper, which me and Scott's recently getting. We're getting 4 Itoigawas and 1 Chinensis. So we're going to be doing videos on them. This is one of them. What I'm going to do is get it all wired, then clean the bark. I've had to put a wire in the bottom of the plug because the tie-in wires weren't strong enough, and when I was trying to wire, the tree was moving, so I've had to put a bigger tie-in wire in, but now it's secure in the pot. I'll record a little bit of his wiring, so I'll just put a little bit of that on because you'll not want to see us doing the full lot. What I'll do is I'll bring you in, I'll get a little bit of footage while I'm wiring, then we'll come back and clean the tree up. So stay tuned and we'll get into this little fella. So we've got all the wire on. I've cleaned the lime sulphur. I'm only doing this in stages without talking because I'm listening to the radio and everything because it's Sunday. So I'll be cleaning the pot, adding a few quarts of lime sulphur, oil the bark, and then we'll put the tree into position. So I think this is a better moment on the trunk line than this side. The floor's better. Plus we've got that awful gin there. The floor's better on this side. So we'll be styling this as the front. There's a little start of the tree all cleaned up. Good, it's not a bad start. So that was just a little short video on this juniper. I'm sorry I wasn't talking, I was just quiet night, playing about with a couple of cans and listening to the music. I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!